welcome to my channel Learn with Dishita. I know you were missing me for last few weeks, but don't worry, I'm back now. So as I'm back, we should make something sweet today, isn't it? So let's make Oreo balls today, which is super easy, super delicious and super fun to make. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you the ingredients. To make Oreo balls, we need a packet of Oreo biscuit, some milk, 2 to 3 spoon powdered sugar, chocolate syrup, crushed nuts and mixing bowl. So first of all, let's remove cream from the biscuits. So here we are. We have separated cream of all the biscuits. Now we will crush all the biscuits in the mixie. So we have powdered our biscuits now. Now let's add some powdered sugar, and chocolate syrup. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. So now let's pour some milk and make a dough. So now our dough is ready. Let's make balls out of it. Now we will decorate them. Don't forget to grease the plate before putting balls on it. So let's decorate it with chocolate syrup, and we will put some nuts on it. So now our Oreo balls are ready to serve, but we will keep it in the fridge in 15-20 minutes and they will be good to serve. If you like Oreo just like me, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Okay? Thanks for watching.